dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dukumo, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get a perfect twist out every single time. But I hope that you guys enjoy today's video. As always, I start by sectioning my hair into 4 sections before I do anything. I love doing twist outs because I know that they will never fail me. It is my favorite way to wear my hair out. I love it on blown out hair. I love it on freshly washed hair. It just always works for me. So before I do anything, I will spritz some water onto my hair, and then I use this curling custard from Aunt Jackie's to twist my hair. I had applied a leave-in conditioner prior. After doing that, I take a little bit of a section, start detangling from the ends of my hair all the way to the roots, and then after that I will start twisting. The trick into getting the perfect twist out is twisting with purpose. So twist tightly as you're twisting down your hair. You don't want to twist loosely, because when you twist loosely, the curl pattern that you will get after you twist out won't be as tight. So if you're looking for a tight curl, this is what you should do. Twist tightly, and if need be, you need to detangle your hair as you go down because it can get tangled. I did not speed up this clip because I wanted you to see how fast or how slow it actually takes me to get one twist down. And when I get to the end of my twist, here's the trick. After I finish twisting, I take the end of the twist and then I wrap it around the twist itself and then pull it down for the hanging effect. This is what it's called, the hanging bantu knot. I do this at the end of my twists because I want to have a curl at the end of it rather than have my hair look a bit straight. I don't know if that makes sense, but you can see the difference when you've done it and when you have not. I then do those steps to the rest of my hair. I start by applying the curling custard from Aunt Jackie's and then detangle my hair using this detangling brush, which is my favorite one. And then I will go in and twist my hair with purpose. Twist closely together so I can get a tight curl at the end. And when I need to, I will take my detangling brush once again and detangle my hair, because as you twist it can get tangled again. So detangling as you go really helps you to get a smooth twist. And then when I get to the end of my twist, I will twirl the end of the twist against my finger and then do the hanging bantu knot, which is taking the ends of the twist and wrapping it around the twist itself and then pulling it down for the hanging bantu knot. This is a repetitive process, so the more that you do it, the better your twists out are. I like wearing my hair in twists out. I love it even on my hair blown out because I enjoy the look that it gives me and I like the curl pattern. When I first went natural, I used to wear braid outs a lot because I found it difficult to twist my hair, but I learned, and ever since then it has been my favorite way to wear my hair. The only time my twists out don't come out good is when my hair is not fully dry yet. I have low porosity hair, and if you know anything about low porosity hair, it's the fact that it takes a long time to dry. So I try by all means not to take out any style that I do before my hair dries, or the style will not come out as nice as I want it to be. So I would suggest that always make sure that your hair is dry before you take out any hairstyle, and also have a good curling custard or a good styling product that will leave your hair moisturized and also give you a good hold. You definitely do not need a lot of products to get a good twist out. Just get you a leave-in conditioner and a good styling product, and you're good to go. After I'm done twisting, I leave the twists overnight, and fun fact, this was actually 2 days later because my hair was not dry the next day. But I use this castor oil from Native Child to separate my twists. I do this to eliminate any unnecessary frizz by using my fingers to separate the twists. Firstly, I separate each twists just as they are throughout my entire hair before I go in and do more separating. This is why it's important to get yourself a good styling product, because look at the definition that I'm getting from using that curl custard. You want to have such results so that your twist out comes out looking good. Now this next step can either make or break your twist out. This is when you do a little bit more fluffing. So I go back to each twist and then separate more. You don't want to over separate, you just want to separate just enough, but that also depends on how you like to wear your hair. So personally, I like to have volume, but I also want to keep some of the definition that I have. So I just go in on each twist and separate where I feel the twist want to separate naturally, and I just do this to the rest of my hair, and look at how it's coming out. There's still some definition, but there is still volume, which is what I am going for. And here you can see the difference from the side that I fluffed out a lot more and the side that I didn't. And now for the step that ties the whole style together is when I go in with my afro comb or my pick to pick my hair and give it a bit more volume and shape it to how I want it to look like. The trick into picking your hair properly is to only pick at the roots. You do not want to disrupt the curl pattern that you have created, so you only pick at the roots, and that will give it more volume and give your afro a nice shape. I love big hair, so this step is really important for me because I want to create that big afro, that big look, and I really enjoy my twists out as they get older because my hair gets bigger as the days go by. So if you're like me and you like that, this will definitely help you in achieving that look. And this is the final look. I love how the look came together. If you've never tried this method before, I suggest that you try it because you actually might love the results that you get from it. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section. But if you did like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.